Welcome back to One Beer Job. I'm Justin, and today, hold on. Oh, so delicious. This is what we're working on today. This oven, all right? This oven, that works. So now we're gonna look at the back one. If it just continues to click, I don't want to fill it up with gas. Or do I? Anyway, if it just clicks up here and you don't get any of the spark, there's a couple things that could go wrong. I found this out the hard way, but I'm going to make it the easy way for you. So these are my tools today. This beer and this toothpick. All right, so what we're going to do is that you have these cap pieces that are on. Cap pieces that are on there. All we're gonna do is hey, I know it's dirty. Women didn't do their job in my house. Just kidding. Just kidding. Usually I'm the one that cleans. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this up. There's the igniter right there. We're just gonna take a little bit of a paper towel, clean that off a little bit. All right, now, where this fits in is where it really matters. So the igniter is going to fit in that area. So if you were to look from the back, this is the hole that I'm pulling it out of. All right, so the igniter goes into there, but this is how the gas works. So inside of here, the gas shoots up in here into this hole right here. Then the cap pushes the gas down. All of the gas comes out here. But then there has to be a place where you actually get ignition. So then as it pushes down up into here, there's a hole, there's a little weep hole right here that the gas comes from the inside. I don't know if you could actually see that little bit of the green toothpick moving around inside. So what I've done is I've went ahead and I've cleaned out that little weep hole so the gas, once the gas is trapped in here, it can now push back out to this weep hole and then go to the igniter. So now that we've cleaned this out, hopefully this thing works, otherwise it's a terrible One Beer Job. All right, so now we're gonna put it back just the same way that we found it. All right, putting that snug. I'm gonna put that cap back on. And there we go. So just like that, a nice little toothpick. And realistically, this is a half of a beer job, but I'm Justin. My camerawoman is Hannah. We're here for One Beer Job. Should probably turn the stove off. Give a like and subscribe, pound that like button, show it to all your friends, especially for people that have too much gas in their house. Let's go.